Hey everyone, Amanda Larson here. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to talk about how to join the Team Builders Club and what that means. So when you join the Team Builders Club with Isagenix, you could be a casual sharer or you could be a business builder. But it is your opportunity to earn free vitamins. They are the Isagenix Complete Essentials with Isagenesis. So they are the awesome vitamins. They are the pack. They have your Cetolites, your vitamin C, they have your vitamin D's, your B's, your multivitamin for men or women, depending on which pack you get, and they include the amazing Isagenesis, which is that telomere support. So they are $140 value that you can earn, and it's available to you to earn for free. So how do you get those? I wanted to show you that today. So when you start with Isagenix, whether you are a builder or you are a casual sharer, you have the opportunity to earn these. And how do you do so? You do so by helping 5 people. There is no time frame to earn your first box of vitamins and to earn the Team Builders Club award. You have unlimited time to help those first 5 people. So when you get your first 5 people started, no matter where they are in your business, you are going to get a coupon from Isagenix that you can purchase those vitamins with. Now, how do you earn your next box? Well, in no time frame either, you help 5 more people get started with Isagenix. And these people are going to be people who start with 100 business volume or more. They can start with a pack, or they can just start with products to allow you to be eligible to earn these vitamins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and boom, you have gotten 2 free boxes of Isagenix Complete Essentials vitamins. Now, moving forward, after you help your first 10 people get started with Isagenix, how do you continue to earn these amazing vitamins? Well, moving forward, you're going to need to help 5 people in 1 month get started with Isagenix, and that's going to be with 100 business volume or more. Now, for every 5 people you help in a month, you're going to earn a box of vitamins. So if you're a rock star and you are just sharing like crazy and you help 10 people get started with their Isagenix journey, you're going to earn 2 boxes that month. If you help 15 people get started in 1 month, you're going to get 3 boxes of Isagenix vitamins. So I wanted to explain this to you. It's an amazing value. It helps save $140 out of your pocket every single month if you are taking the vitamins, which if you're not, you should be. And it's amazing. So I recommend going for the Team Builders Club every single month so that you have those vitamins for when you run out. Thanks for joining me today. If you guys have any questions, let me know and tune into more of our compensation explanations.